Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Teenage Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting tools for teens eager to explore the culinary world. This cookbook isn't just a collection of recipes, it's a gateway to independence, creativity, and healthy eating habits. With easy-to-follow instructions and delicious recipes, this cookbook empowers teenagers to create their own meals, experiment with flavors, and develop a lifelong love for cooking. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey. Number 5. The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. This cookbook is packed with over 100 recipes. It's designed for young chefs who love to cook and eat delicious food. You'll find a variety of recipes to try. Inside, there are more than 100 recipes. They cover everything from breakfast to dinner, and even desserts. This book has something for everyone. The recipes are easy to follow and fun to make. You'll enjoy the process of creating tasty meals. It's a great way to learn new skills. The best part is getting to eat what you make. The recipes are designed to be both delicious and satisfying. You'll be proud of what you create. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. This cookbook is your guide to becoming a confident young chef. Get ready to cook and enjoy. What we like. This cookbook boasts a wide variety of recipes, perfect for any young chef. It's got everything from breakfast to dinner, ensuring there's always something new to try. If you're looking for a cookbook that covers all the bases and keeps things fun, this is the one for you. What people say. It's an instruction manual that starts with lots of kitchen basics and continues with great recipes with clear instructions and kid reviews. It is well organized with lots of pre-cooking information and instructions for the beginning chef, fun, easy, delicious recipes, and the illustrations are beautiful. Instructions are step-by-step and very clear. Great pictures to view to get the overall idea of the finished recipe. Number 4. The Complete Cookbook for Teen Chefs. This cookbook is designed for teen chefs. It features over 70 recipes that have been tested and approved by teenagers. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes that are perfect for cooking, eating, and sharing with friends and family. It's a great way to learn new skills. The recipes are easy to follow and use ingredients that are readily available. This cookbook makes cooking fun and accessible for teens. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in the kitchen, this cookbook has something for everyone. It's a fantastic resource for young cooks. Get ready to create delicious meals and enjoy the satisfaction of cooking. It's a great way to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. What we like. This book is specifically designed with teens in mind, featuring recipes that have been tried and approved by your peers. It focuses on dishes that are great for sharing with friends and family. If you're looking to impress your friends with your cooking skills, this cookbook is your best bet. What people say. Easy to follow and prep work spot on. It's quite good, with great tips on cooking techniques. Good instructions, nothing crazy ingredient-wise. Number 3. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 recipes. It's perfect for young chefs who love to bake, share, and eat delicious treats. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes, from sweet cookies to savory breads. This book has something for everyone. Get ready to explore a world of flavors. This book isn't just about baking, it's about the joy of sharing. You can create wonderful memories with friends and family. Enjoy the delicious results of your hard work. The recipes are designed with young bakers in mind. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Grab your apron and get ready to bake. This book is your guide to becoming a confident baker. It's time to create some amazing treats. What we like. If you love baking, this cookbook is a dream come true. It offers a fantastic selection of both sweet and savory recipes, perfect for any occasion. If you enjoy creating delicious treats and sharing them with others, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. Fantastic. Easy recipes, step-by-step instructions, and kid-friendly photos. Inspires confidence in the kitchen. My 13-year-old loves this cookbook, so now she is in the kitchen trying new recipes almost every weekend. She has a shopping list for me to go get so she can try out her new recipes. I love the fact that they break everything down for kids to understand and walk them through it step by step so they feel like they're doing it completely on their own but can also ask for help if they have any questions. It comes with really easy to more complicated recipes. It's for little ones to big ones. It is easy to understand with the chef hats reference. Number 2. How to Cookbook for Teens, 100 Easy Recipes. This cookbook is designed for teens who want to learn how to cook. It features 100 easy recipes that cover the basics of cooking, making it perfect for beginners. You'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes, from simple snacks to full meals. Each recipe is straightforward and easy to follow, with clear instructions and helpful tips. It's a great way to build confidence in the kitchen. This book teaches you essential cooking skills, such as measuring ingredients, using kitchen tools, and understanding cooking techniques. It's a fun and practical way to learn how to cook. It's a great resource for developing lifelong skills. If you're new to cooking, this cookbook is the perfect starting point. The recipes are designed to be simple and accessible, so you can start cooking with confidence. You'll learn the fundamentals and build a solid foundation. With this cookbook, you can cook delicious meals for yourself, your family, and your friends. It's a great way to explore new flavors and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something tasty. It will help you become a confident and capable cook. What we like. This cookbook is all about teaching you the fundamentals of cooking. It breaks down each recipe into easy-to-follow steps, making it perfect for beginners. If you're just starting out in the kitchen and want to learn the basics, it is the perfect starting point. What people say. It teaches about knife skills, and after every skill lesson is a recipe. Easy to read and easy to follow instructions. Recipes are for foods teens usually like to eat, and it gives basics on utensils and how to use them and also meanings for the terms used in the recipes. Number 1. 5-ingredient college cookbook, recipes for college life. Are you a college student struggling to cook? This cookbook is designed for you. It features simple recipes with only 5 ingredients, perfect for busy students. With this cookbook, you can create delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It provides a variety of recipes that are both quick and easy to make. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a survival guide for your college years. It helps you eat well and save money while navigating the challenges of college life. Transform your dorm room into a culinary haven. This cookbook offers simple instructions and readily available ingredients, making cooking a breeze. Make your college experience easier and tastier with this cookbook. It's the perfect companion for students looking to eat well and enjoy their time at school. What we like. This cookbook is all about simplicity, with recipes that require only 5 ingredients. It's designed to help you survive those busy college years without breaking the bank. If you're heading off to college and need quick, easy, and affordable meals, you should definitely grab this one. What people say. Everything is straight to the point, with cooking fundamentals covered. The recipes are truly easy and delicious and tend to the healthier side. The recipes are simple and easy to understand and even look like they are nutritious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.